zombies, monsters, and witches. Oh, my. Staggering in at number 5, Scott's Cream Puff Zombie Face. And his Cream Puff Zombie Face dessert.
Is that a zombie face over there, Scott?
Yeah.
That is nasty.
My zombie head is really coming together. I mean, this thing looks gnarly. I grabbed the zombie brain with the Bavarian cream, and it's perfectly set. I perform my lobotomy, and I saw off the top of its head.
Ooh, really disgusting. The Bavarian cream is beautiful. You need a toot toot honk honk all ooga toot your own horn. I mean,
Thank you. Toot toot.
Be careful of creatures and apparently cakes lurking in the night. Exhibit A is number 4, Jasmine's Werewolf Claw cake from the Scary Mask Challenge.
I got a werewolf today, and I'm gonna have a werewolf hand scraping through the cliff cake, and you're gonna see a nice little moon in the background. For my fondant werewolf hand, I only want my palm to be made from rice cereal treats because I want my fingers to be able to bend, scratching on the side of the cliff, almost like a warning sign, beware. Oh!
I love the knuckles, the nails, the gnarly nails. It's a home run.
Yes!
Number 3 asks the question, when is gross great looking? When it's Brad's chocolate chai tea zombie tart.
I'm making a chocolate chai spice tart with a layer of ganache and then raspberries on top. I wanted to feel like a zombie ripped someone's face off and was like, I'm gonna eat this with this tart. I have to make sure the skin looks torn, and then I'm gonna highlight those torn edges with a little bit of blood, which is just raspberries. So don't be scared.
It's gross. But I mean, that's good. You were going for gross.
Who knew a melted witch could taste so good? Jessica did. Here she is at number 2 with her Devil's Food Cauldron cake.
I gotta do this right now.
I'm making a devil's food cake filled with chocolate raspberry buttercream. I'm gonna be forming it into a perfect cauldron topped with a whiskey gel. I'm using agar. It's gonna bind this whiskey all together, and then voila, the whiskey gel is gonna be my bubbling topping on my cake.
Don't act like you're not impressed.
Love the work that you did with the witch's feet. It definitely tells a story.
Your devil's food cake is sinfully good.
And the number 1 dessert is Scott's haunting response to the Frankensweets challenge, the Devil Torte.
I'm gonna make this dessert wicked sinister by putting a picture of the devil on top. Devil! I start adding flames around the outside because the devil is in the details. For my dessert today, I did a chocolate flourless torte that I flavored with a little bit of raspberry liqueur. Then I made a Bavarian with blood orange and a little bit of red chili flake for the heat.
I feel like the devil coming through the blood and actually coming through, where almost like he's coming through a window. I think it's fantastic.
Thank you.
And your flourless chocolate cake is scrumptious.